Hi, my name is George, and thank you for selecting Clarity Senior Care as your senior care education provider. We strive to give you unbiased advice and insight to help you navigate your senior care needs. The information provided in this module has been gathered through many interviews from caregivers in the field, as well as through personal experiences of decision makers involved in the senior care process. In this video module, we will seek to give you an understanding of the current reimbursement system for senior care in the good old USA. We want to give you the basic tools to define who qualifies or is eligible for Medicare and Medicaid and what it may or may not cover or reimburse at a high level. To be clear, we will only define and educate you on how Medicare and Medicaid works within the context of paying for senior care in either a home health care setting or skilled nursing facility setting, because independent living and assisted living typically do not accept insurance. For more information on how to pay or budget for an independent living or assisted living facility, please refer to the intermediate video module section of our website. So let's begin. Let's start with Medicare. Medicare is a national health insurance program that is administered by the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS for short. Medicare provides health insurance for those Americans aged 65 and older, and on average covers about half of the healthcare expenses of those enrolled. It's very important to note that almost no one uses original Medicare only, as enrollees almost always cover their remaining health care or out-of-pocket costs by enrolling in a Medicare supplemental insurance plan or a Medicare Advantage plan. Not to get too complicated right now, because we will discuss managed care in a separate video module, but managed care organizations will typically provide Medicare supplemental insurance plans as well as Medicare Advantage plans within their menu of healthcare coverage options. Despite the existence of original Medicare coverage, beneficiaries will always have some out-of-pocket costs in the form of deductibles and co-pays. The key to navigating Medicare is to make sure we pick an insurance plan that caps or limits the amount of out-of-pocket expenses. Notably, Medicare is divided into 4 parts, which include Medicare Part A, which covers hospital, skilled nursing, and hospice care, Medicare Part B, which covers outpatient services, which is quite vague and therefore requires some additional research to see exactly which visits or procedures may be covered under the plan. Specifically, Medicare Part B coverage is most relevant in understanding what is covered in the context of a home health situation. For more information on how to pay or budget for home healthcare services, please refer to the intermediate video module section of our website. Furthermore, Medicare Part C includes managed Medicare that allows patients to choose health plans with at least the same coverage as Parts A and B, and most often more. Typically, managed Medicare is administered by a private health insurance company, such as a United Healthcare or Humana, for instance. Given the complexity of the managed care topic, please refer to our video module entitled What is Managed Care within the intermediate video module section of our website to learn more about the program. We encourage you to learn more about managed care given its popularity and broad level of healthcare services coverage. Lastly, and not as relevant to this particular module, there is Medicare Part D, which covers mostly self-administered prescription drugs. Now that we have covered all the key topics associated with Medicare, let's move on to Medicaid. Medicaid is a federal and state program that helps with medical costs for individuals with limited income and resources. Similar to Medicare, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS for short, funds the program. However, every state has different requirements as far as who qualifies for Medicaid. One would need to apply with their state CMS administrator in order to receive benefits. www.medicaid medicare-guide.org is an excellent starting point to help you get on the right track towards understanding whether you or a loved one will be eligible to receive benefits and giving you the information to help you apply and ultimately qualify for those benefits. Lastly, Medicaid is interesting in that it offers certain benefits that are normally not covered by Medicare. Specifically, Medicaid will cover personal care costs as well as certain home health care services that Medicare will not reimburse. We'll go into more detail regarding what Medicare, Medicaid, and managed care cover in the context of a home health care setting in the intermediate video module section of our site if you select or search the home health care topic. Thank you once again for selecting Clarity Senior Care as your senior care education provider. We truly hope the information provided in this module was informative and has helped you gain the knowledge and insight to make informed healthcare decisions. Please do not hesitate to contact us via our chatbot if you have any questions associated with the senior care process, and please feel free to check out our other senior care related modules in the beginner and intermediate video module sections of our site. Finally, if you or a loved one needs immediate counsel regarding any aspect of the senior care process, please feel free to call us at 1-800-818-8710.